for this short video, I am going to teach you how to switch to Salesforce Classic. And the first thing that you need to do is to simply go to login.salesforce.com and log in your credentials. So type in your username and password and click the login button. That is if you have an account already. But if you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for a free account in Salesforce. And once you have successfully logged into your account, you'll go to the dashboard of Salesforce. So just don't mind with what I have on my screen. So what you need to do next is to go to your profile. So it should be situated on the upper right corner of your screen. And from the menu, you just need to locate this switch to classic or switch to Salesforce Classic. So we just need to click on it. And once you have clicked onto that, after a few seconds, then you'll be able to switch to the classic version of Salesforce. So that's basically it. And now if you want to switch back to the Lightning experience, just locate the switch to Lightning experience section situated on the upper part of your screen. You click onto it and then you'll go back to this version of Salesforce. So that's it for this video, and I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.